Hello and welcome. According to me, AWS RDS is one of the main service to learn if you are preparing for AWS Solution Architect exam. I am giving you two reasons why you should learn RDS properly. Reason number one, they are asking almost 6 to 7 questions related to RDS in AWS Solution Architect exam. Second reason is related to the real world. As you know that nowadays 99% applications have to have database as a backend. Now, most of the companies are actually using RDS to host its database. So, whenever they are going to hire people to manage their application, they will definitely find out knowledge of RDS in the specific candidate. Now, how they can find out details about your knowledge of RDS? Yes, they will ask you lots of questions related to RDS, and if you are able to answer this, it is easy for you to get job. We understood this, and that's why you can watch all the videos related to RDS. We covered it in detail, in depth. But still, I think we are missing one lab over there. And that's why we are going to introduce RDS Super Lab. Now, you may have many questions in your mind, like what is Super Lab, what we are going to learn inside this particular Super Lab. And let me tell you, the Super Lab is live, so you can learn live from me. So why it is live? If it is live, what is the timing, how you can join? I am going to explain you all this in this video. So please watch this video till the end. So let's start. First of all, at CloudFolks HUB, we introduced the concept of Super Lab. What is the Super Lab? A Super Lab is an advanced learning setup where you practice real-world scenario using latest technologies. It helps you to explore features, settings, and use cases in detail so you can understand and master a specific service and concept through the hands-on experience. See, whenever we are learning any topic, we are going with the step-by-step. Let's say that in first video, we created RDS database. We also understood high availability. Then we understood read replica, right? But all these topics are actually individual from each other. In the real world, you have to combine all of them and you have to create a final database. So our main concept about Super Lab is to combine all together and create real world application based on features provided into the specific service, right? So here in one Super Lab, you are going to learn almost all the topics related to this specific service. Now, which topics we are going to cover in this RDS Super Lab? Let me explain you this as well. The RDS Super Lab is detailed hands-on practice environment designed for Amazon RDS. It provides practical implementation of key RDS features through the real-world scenario and guided exercise. In this lab, we are going to cover setting up multi-AZ deployment and also test failover, right? We are going to set up RDS read replica and also we are going to verify how it is going to improve our performance. Simulate disaster recovery using backup and restore. Monitoring database performance with enhanced monitoring. Optimize queries with performance insights. And in short, it covers all the essential skills needed to effectively use Amazon RDS, everything into the one lab, and it is Super Lab. Now, we thought like you already learning everything from our YouTube channel and you may have questions as well. So, we want to provide you detailed Super Lab experience. So, we have a live Super Lab. Yes, I'm going to perform this super lab live in front of you. So if you have any questions, if you have any confusion, you can ask directly to me and I can solve your problem during this particular session, right? It is two-way communication. You and me will meet live and we can communicate with each other. So that's why we have this lab live. Now here, we are thrilled to announce that the RDS Super Lab is going live. Here are 5 solid reasons why live format will transform your learning experience. We thought like, okay, we want to give you best experience. So we find out that, okay, we are going for the live or on-demand videos. Then we got these 5 super reasons that, okay, why we should go live. So here I am giving you all these reasons as well. Real-time guidance from the expert. You can learn directly from me so we can communicate with each other. If you have any query while I am performing lab, you can ask me. You can also directly get all the documents related to it. So live experience will provide you altogether different experience. Then immediate problem solving. Let's say that if I am doing lab and I found some issue, there is no way everything is live. So I will solve all the issue in front of you. So you will get how I am immediately solving problem during the lab. And if you have any questions or if you have any problem, you can also ask me. I will solve your problem immediately as well. Reason number 3, it is a practical hands-on experience. So I thought like if we are going live, it would provide you better experience. Then reason number 4, advanced scenario you won't find elsewhere. Let me give you guarantee, whatever we are going to perform this in this particular live lab, 99% chances is there you are not going to learn all together in one single lab, right? So you are going to experience something new which is not available on any other platform right now. And reason number 5, focus and structured learning. When you are learning online in a live class, the experience is different. Let's say that I am watching videos and I got called. I will definitely pause my video and I will attend the call. If someone is calling me during I am learning through the video, I will go over there because I have this flexibility that I can pause. But here you are learning live, so the experience will be different. Your experience or of your learning will be more focused. Another thing that I want to tell you, once you will join this, you will get recording of the live session for sure, and the recording will be available to you for lifetime. Okay. Now, as you know that the Super Lab is live, what is the timing? So we are going to start this live session on 15 December 2024, means next Sunday. It is a Sunday and the timing is actually 11 a.m. morning, right? If you are joining from other country, here it is a timing for all the countries, so you can find out your related timing very easily. Okay. For Indians, the timing is 11 a.m. 15 December 2024. It is 11 a.m. onwards. Okay. So we'll start at 11 a.m. but it will almost take 2 hours. If it is required that people asking questions, they have many confusion over there, they keep asking question, it will be continue, right? You can join this session at 11, then you will get a recording of the session as well. Now, how to join this for free? See, we are actually trying to provide training with reasonable fees, okay? We can charge thousands of rupees as well, but we are not doing this because we want you to learn cloud and understand the concept of cloud very easily. So here we have free access as well. How you can join this session for free? If you are part of CloudFolks community and have enrolled in any of these 3 premium courses, the RDS Super Lab Live is free for you. See, we have our students who is actually having access or enroll in 7 in 1 bundle, 6 in 1 bundle, or DevOps Legends. For us, they are in our top priority and these sessions are free. And let me tell you, any upcoming sessions that we are going to manage live All the sessions will be free for them because they are actually our premium members. So if you are a member of any of this, it is totally free for you. The lab will automatically appear in your library as a bonus resource. Now, I'm going to give you one opportunity here over here that if you are not member and if you want to access this lab live, you can go to the description of the video. You can join in any of this particular course, 7-in-1, 6-in-1 or DevOps Legion. If you want to learn AWS and Azure together, I will recommend you to go with the 7-in-1. If you only want to concentrate on AWS, then go for 6-in-1. If you want to become DevOps master, you can go with the DevOps as well. Now, there are many people who are saying that, okay, we are already part of other community and we already purchased this course from XYZ, okay, but I want to join your live session, okay, I want to join this super lab. In this case, what should I do? Yes, for everyone else who is not part of these bundles, we have nominal fees for them. If you are not part of this courses, you can still join the existing live lab with the nominal fees. For Indians, it is only 999 rupees, including GST. For rest of the world, it is $15. See, people may have one question over here is why it is paid, right? You need to understand these three reasons. The RDS Super Lab Live offer advanced real-world scenario that go beyond the basic training. It is not basic training, my friend. It is extraordinary training which will provide you detailed understanding about each and every features of RDS. It is designed and led by experts who ensure you get the most out of every session. If you are joining this for 2 hours, you are investing your money, you are investing your time. So we want you to get 200% out of this, right? And that's why we are designing all this with best people. Let me tell you, after joining this class, you are going to get the detailed mind map. So if you don't want to watch video again, you can completely develop your own lab using the documentation that we are going to provide you. Although you are going to get recording session anytime, you can watch recording, but still the documentation that we will provide you will be mind-blowing. The resources, time and expertise invested in this lab make an unparalleled learning opportunity. And if you want to take this opportunity, I am inviting you. If you have any questions, if you want to join, but before this, you want to ask some questions, you can call on this particular number. You can send WhatsApp message over there or you can call them. There is a person called Bhavesh will help you to understand all the structures. Now, I'm going to end this video and yes, we are going to meet this Sunday 11 a.m. for Super Lab RDS. Thank you very much.